Hello my friends, how we doing today? If you can't tell, we're starting this off with the new camera. I'm going to do a little comparison between the two and we'll see how it goes. As you can tell, I'm not on my motorbike or my dirt bike, but figured I'd take you guys along for this comparison. Let's see how it goes, hey? Want to see how this stabilization works, this optical stabilization. We'll see how it goes. All right, my friends, I'm back with the GoPro Hero 3. So let's see how this goes. We'll switch back and forth between the two, I think. I said that already, but we'll do it. We'll see how that goes. But it'll give you guys an idea of the difference. If there is any, which there should be. And if there's not, I'll be very angry. In a second here, I'll switch to the GoPro and we'll go back and forth a little bit. See how it goes. And I'm just gonna do the raw feed, the raw video. I ain't gonna enhance nothing. They're both gonna be what they are. I'll be running the Sony FDR-X3000. I'll be running that at 120 frames per second. And I'll be running my GoPro Hero 3 at the top, the best it could do, which is 30 frames per second. So we'll see if there's a slight difference. I figure there will be. I don't know if I told you guys, but I like my Hero 3, but I just wanted to look for something with a little better frame rates and everything. And I got that Sony for probably $150, $200 cheaper than the Hero 5 or 6. So I got it for a really good deal. Brand new. So, and I like the fact that you can plug the microphone right in without an adapter cable or anything. And I had the SD card that was already good enough so I could do oh, we're gonna scrape our boot on this corner. I have on the ground a few times. All right, my friends, on the way back around the lake, we'll switch to the Hero 3 and we'll see how it goes. See if you guys can tell a difference. Maybe we'll do a couple of clips next to each other if I can figure that out, or we'll just split it. Do one clip with one clip with the other. All right, guys, see you in a minute. It's the bit rates, but it's like 100 megabits per second. So, like outstanding bit rates. So the view definitely should be better with 120 frames per second and 100 bit rates. So we should be good to go. But I'll still use my GoPro Hero 3. Maybe I'll put it on my brother-in-law's helmet when we're dirt biking, so we get two views going on. That'll be fun. But anyways, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this comparison, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good evening, have a good day, keep shining side up. Peace.